Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Fetch.ai. As in my so many previous videos, I have been showing you a very big falling wedge pattern that Fetch.ai has formed on the 7 days time frame chart, and I have been telling you that once it will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a very massive rally. And this was the video when it just broke out that falling wedge pattern, and I shared this video with you almost a year ago. And I told you that now we can expect a very massive rally. And now we have completely broken out this falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart. This is really a very big day for Fetch.ai. This wedge is completely now broken out, and so I'm expecting that soon it can also break out the next resistance of 20 cents as well. That is, by the way, very strong and long-term resistance. And the final target for this falling wedge pattern after this breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $1.30. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, it started a very massive rally. And so far from this low, when it was last time testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, you can see that Fetch.ai has rallied almost 6,000%. Let me do place this measurement tool once again from this low to here. You can see that it has rallied almost 6,500%, in fact 6,500%. And here we have found a quite strong resistance on that starts from $3.12 and goes to $3.48. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days, this level is working as a very strong resistance on. And recently on the daily time frame chart, Fetch.ai has formed this descending triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Fetch.ai that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 10% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for Fetch.ai that I shared 4 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that not a Gartley, a bad move that Fetch.ai was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see I shared this idea on 8th of May 2024. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. First it dropped down and the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reversal and hit the sell target zone here. And this was almost 10% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Fetch.ai. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this descending triangle. Here we had a fake out from this triangle, but the price got rejected by this resistance of $3.48. That is the highest resistance ever for Fetch.ai. And now it has again re-entered the same descending triangle. And now recently, after getting rejected by the resistance of this descending triangle, the price is moving down to hit the support. The support is somewhere here approximately at $1.85. Now, if the price line breaks down the support of this descending triangle, then target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $1.10. But it is also possible that the price line may test the support of $1.03. That the price line has recently found the support here. You can see after the breakout, the price line has retested this level as support and geared up. And in case of breaking out this resistance of the triangle, the target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $4.07. And in that situation, the pricing can also break out this very long-term resistance on that starts from $3.12 and goes to $3.48 as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that just exactly at the support of this triangle, we also have this red line support that is the exponential moving average 21, the EMA 21, that is working as a very nice support for the past several months, like it worked as a nice support here. And now for the past few weeks, it is again working as a support. Therefore, it will be really difficult for the price line to break down this support of the triangle. Before that, we have already broken out these patterns. Like first we broke out this falling wedge pattern, then we broke out this down channel as well. And in fact, when it was quite squeezed inside this wedge and dropped down at this long-term support of 5 cents, in those days I shared several videos with you, and I've been telling you that now there is a probability that the price end may soon break out this resistance of the wedge, and the target for the breakout can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1.20 to $1.50, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target, and it has already achieved the target for this wedge. But once it will be able to break out this resistance on now, then this previous resistance will be flipped into a nice and long-term and firm support, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.